Hi guys, Rob here with Event Rental Systems, and I just wanted to give you a quick kind of teaser video with the new version 3.5 that we're about to roll out starting this coming week. Just wanted to give you a heads up because there are some visual changes, but I think you guys are going to love them. So you'll see under all of these tabs that we have a new interface, and by the way, the entire system is now responsive. So you'll see that the back end will work on a phone, the ordering process has a new time selector, and everything is responsive front and back. So now if you go into admin, you'll see that we've simplified the settings and we've put them into things that make more sense. I know that as we've been adding features, some of those features are getting placed into things called miscellaneous and nobody knows where to look. So we've tried to clean that up for you. This is the setup wizard that's generally only used by people that are just starting, but we have a new inventory setup system in here. For example, if we want to move the wet and wild water units down because it's getting cold, you click move, and now it is underneath the deluxe bounce houses. So I just move that category down and that will visually change on the front of your site. You can also change whether it's alphabetical or not from right here, and editing items is also very simplistic. I can also move them around and reorder my inventory since they're not alphabetical right now, so I can move Bobby Builder up here. That reverses or changes the order of which they're displaying. So new inventory setup. Coming back into here, the website editor is new and improved as well. You can get to some of the more advanced options down here, and if you want to see the full list, you can either click right here on Go to Advanced Directory, or in the upper right hand corner next to your logout button, there's a little advanced button that's always present, so you can always get to those more advanced settings with one click now. So that should speed that up as well. Here, I'll show you the website editor real quick. We've done some really cool updates in here. For one, if you want to change things like your phone number, you can actually just click on it directly and type. All right, so there we go. We updated the phone number just by entering it. In here, you'll notice that we have this new edit box, and what that lets you do is it lets you see variations of that type of building block. So this is kind of a header title block. So if I click on edit, it'll load up all the different variations of title blocks that we have and headers, and you pick the style that you like. Let's say that, well, I don't know that I want anything that big, but maybe something like this, and I click on it and it's updated. It's automatically saved, but it will not go live until you click save. So that's a new thing as well. And we've added a bunch of new pieces, parts, so as you explore you can try that out. The move button works just like it did before, except once you click on it, it'll let you move them into other positions. So if I want to move it down, I just look for a blue line, let go, and it's moved it. And if I want to move that, I click on it, drag it up to the blue line and let go, and it puts it back. So that little move icon lets you move things, and of course trash can lets you delete them. So those are all new interface approaches in the editor. Let me go back. Of course, you'll be able to play with this. The scheduling, not much has changed other than you'll have a new time selector that's identical to what the customers had on the front end, and you'll be able to switch between booking an event or a calendar of events, and it's all responsive now. Under customers, we have the CRM built into the customer box, so you can see more of that information if you're using the CRM. Delivery has been updated with a new interface, so you can get to the truck tracker, look at the location overview. It's just a little cleaner, and it's also responsive as of yesterday, so when you grab the screen and make it bigger, it'll make your map bigger as well if you have a high resolution monitor. And then we're also very excited about our new reports section. We've got some more graphically represented reports, and we organized all the reports into something that I think makes a little more sense, so you can get to them easier. So Hope you enjoy version 3.5, mostly just rearranging things and making them easier to use, plus some great new editing aspects in the website editor. So enjoy.